Good morning to everyone, children. Yes, we are so long we are completing the chapter 1. Isn't it, children? Chapter 1, past, present, future. Okay, now see, children, we'll go for page number 2. Page number 2. Take out your 96 pages long notebook, children. 96 pages long notebook. Okay, take out your 96 pages long notebook and you are supposed to write this answer in your book. Okay, we'll complete this chapter in your notebook. Okay, children? Yes. First one, see here, English workshop. See here, link the items, the 3 columns properly. Okay, you're supposed to draw next page. After writing this poem, you're supposed to write next page in your 96 pages. You're supposed to write next page, link the items, the 3 columns properly. Okay, and then you have to draw this chart. You're supposed to draw this chart neatly. Down you have to write this answer. After drawing this chart, you're supposed to write down. Okay, after this chart, you're supposed to write down. First answer. See now, the past. Answer. Take out in your notebook, children. 1. The past. The past. A soft and mild. Write it neatly, children. Autumn evening. Then this is the first point. We'll go for second point now. Answer 2. Okay. The present hour. The present hour. A green and flowery spray where a young birds sit. Bird sit. Okay. This is for second and third now. What is their third now? The future. The future. The future. The present. The past. The present. The future. Okay. A sea beneath a cloudless sun. Okay, this is for now third, the future. Done, children? Next, we'll go for question number 3. This is a question number 2. Okay, link question number 2. We'll go for question number 3. Question number 3. See, children. Copy down the heading there. Find the meaning of the following words. Okay, you are supposed to copy down in the textbook. From the textbook, find out the meaning from the following words. First one. See, first one. The. Is there now? For that answer is you. Okay. Now second one. Mournfully. Means, mournfully means sadly. Third one. Spray. A stem or small branch of that's all, children. Branch of a tree. Next, we'll go for fourth. You can see here, children. Fourth one. Yes, you can see now. Mighty means very powerful. Write it neat handwriting, children. You are supposed to copy down this headings also, okay? Next, we'll go for question number 4. Shall I rub this, children? Shall I rub this? You are supposed to write neatly, children. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. See, ma'am is mentioning here. Okay, question number 4. Copy down the heading, children. Write the adjectives that are used to describe the following. Evening. First is evening. Means soft and mild. Okay, second one now. Once again, spray. Green and flowery. Then, third one. Sea. Third one is sea. Means glorious. Means glorious. Okay. Next we'll go for question number 5. We'll move on to the question number 5. Write it neatly, children. After the heading, leave one line and write. Understood? I want good handwriting. Don't be scribbling anything there. Question number 5. Write one line about each of the following with the help of the poem. First is, shall I write directly the answer, children? See here, you are supposed to copy down the heading also. Write one line about each of the following with the help of the poem. Okay, and write the question also. When in the autumn evening? For that answer. Okay, I'll write the question and answer, okay? Then you can understand. Don't be doing the mistakes here. When in the autumn evening. Okay, this is the question. Then for this answer. Question number 5. Answer 1. The wind in the autumn evening sighed sadly. Next, we'll move on to the question number 2. Question number 1 is done. We'll move on to the question number 2. Young bird on the spray. Answer. The young bird sits on the flowery plant gathering. See, there is no place, so I am writing here. Okay, I will write here only. Gathering strength get up and fly away. And fly away. Done. 2 lines answer. Now third one. The sea. The sea. Answer. The mighty, glorious, the mighty, glorious and dazzling sea stretches on without an end. Done, children. Now question number 5 is done. We'll move on to the question number 6. Yes, tomorrow we'll continue the question number 6, children, okay? We'll go by little. No need of writing so much, okay? Yes, I want the full made with the headings and questions with the answers in your book neat and clean. After writing this poem, you're all supposed to write this question number 2. Link the items in the 3 columns properly. You have to draw this chart. And then you're supposed to write the question. After that, we wrote the answer. We wrote the answers now. That answers you are supposed to write down. After that, question number 3. Write the heading and write the question. And then you are supposed to write the answers. After that, leave 1 line or 2 lines. And then you are supposed to write next heading, next question number, okay? Yes, write neatly. And tomorrow we'll continue the question number 6. Okay, children? Yes.